Hello, and welcome to IMI PBM, a prominent worldwide manufacturer of safe, reliable, high-quality valves. Cleaning a ball valve without removing it from its process is a solution that keeps IMI PBM on top of the world's valve market. IMI PBM's clean-in-place options can provide a solution to the problem of removing any residual product that may accumulate in the valve. Using steam, the valve internals can be sterilized. With IMI PBM's exclusive adjustable sealing technology, cleaning agents or steam can be introduced into the valve in the closed position without interrupting the process. It's simply innovative. Clean-in-place, steam-in-place capabilities are desirable in applications where media can become trapped, or where it may be necessary to sanitize the valve with steam or a cleaning agent. IMI PBM provides a solution with a combination of purge ports and a ball with milled flats or drain holes designed to suit specific application needs. Steam or a cleaning solution may be introduced through a purge port in order to flush the body cavity before exiting via ball flats or additional ports. Adjustable sealing provides simultaneous upstream and downstream sealing, permitting clean-in-place without process interruption. IMI PBM improves process efficiency using our clean-in-place technology in order to reduce process downtime and increase productivity for our customers.